Hi friends! Today, I will show you how to connect mobile camera to laptop. You have to follow these instructions carefully. You need to set up Webcam on both your PC and your Android phone. Download the app on your phone and download the PC client from the description below. Launch the apps on both PC and phone, then follow the below instructions. Make sure both PC and phone are connected to the same network. Install Webcam app from Play Store on your mobile. After installation, you will get IP address and Webcam port. Go to Google and install Webcam on computer desktop. After installation, click it. A window will appear having same IP address and port. Both should match. Make sure both mobile and computer are on same Wi-Fi. Click on Start. The camera will open on computer desktop using mobile camera. Enjoy the connection. Thanks for watching.